Good morning, kindergarten friends. It is Friday, it's May 8th, it's the end of week 7. You've done such a great job learning and growing this week. Today would be the day that we get to do our Mother's Day tea together. So I hope you took some time yesterday and you were making crafts. If you'll notice right there, right behind me, my kids were making little flower crafts yesterday too. And so I thought I'd put one up for us to see together. We will be meeting together to bless the mamas today on Zoom. So I hope you can join us. That would be really fun. I've got a couple little special things for us to do together during that time. But with that, it's Friday and we still have some work to do. So what do you say we get to work? Sound good? Sound good. Well, it would be 5-8-20. If we were to write the date, I always pause for a minute because today is actually my Abby's birthday. She's 12. And so I always think, oh, it's 5-8-08, but that's her birthday. Today's date is 5-8-20. So my mama brain's kind of going today because it's her birthday. So our calendar though, if you'll notice, I put in our dates already. I got a little ahead of myself today, so I'm so sorry. Our pattern though is red, red, green, blue, blue, red, red. What do you think it is? If you said green, you're exactly right. Green, because of that green center for the number 8. And then if we did tomorrow, because it's Saturday, I mean, we won't be doing school tomorrow, it would be a blue one for the number 9. Green and blue if you were to fill up our whole week. Have you been singing the Days of the Week song? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days a week. Make sure you're keeping track of those days too, because that'll be something helpful as we do math. Okay, then if we move over to how many days smarter you are, yesterday was 152, which means that today would be 153 days smarter. 1, 5, 3. One group of 100, 3 groups of 10. Excuse me, 5 groups of 10 and 3 ones, 153. Then our password, W-E-N-T, went. I went to the store. Actually, I didn't. I haven't been to the store in a while. Went. But keep writing it. How about I went outside? I think that's better. Then our memory verse, Psalm 56:3. When I am afraid, I will trust in you. When I am afraid, I will trust in you. Okay, well, should we go through a little bit of our work today? Calendar math. Don't forget to be rolling your dice and graphing the weather and even graphing what number you're rolling. That's part of a graphing skill too. Then for our morning work, our entry task, you're going to be looking for a mystery picture, kind of like we've done a few other times, but you're going to use black and blue and color and see what comes out of our mystery picture. Then, because it's the day before Mother's Day weekend, we would be doing the tea together. I don't have a lot for you to do today. I would like you to still hop on Rocket Math or be working on some math facts and just staying familiar with what we're doing for math, building some numbers. You could do your ice cream cone math too. Maybe do that with mom. That'd be fun to do. But I do have your W book. Go through with your highlighter or your yellow marker and find the W's and the passwords. And then in your book, I was still Caleb's, go to that W page. W is for wonderful. My mom is wonderful. W is for water. Watch, you had some really great show and tells yesterday with all the W's. The girls talked about not eating worms for lunch, but definitely eating watermelon for lunch, just as a better option. So we laughed about that. That was fun yesterday. I wanted to show you too, I got some more letters in the mail, 3 more. Jason and Michael and Emerson wrote me letters. It's so fun to hear from you. I miss you too, a lot. Then the other thing, one other thing I wanted to say is I was getting stuff ready for next week and I found my W Science stuff and I had put it in the wrong week. I was losing my mind a little bit last week looking for it and I couldn't find it and it was in the wrong week. So You can do it next week, but I wanted to show you that there is some water science about sink or float, and there's some wind science about huff and puff in next week's packet, but if you want to pull them out just as fun things to do this week, that's okay too. And they're optional anyway, so they're fun to explore your world. It's kind of life learning, but you don't have to be worried about doing them this week. So that's what I've got for you. I've got my Mama's Pearls on today as a way to honor her for Mother's Day as we get together for our Zoom today, and I hope to see you as well. So have a great day of learning. I look forward to seeing you. Don't forget to wish your mama and your grandma a happy Mother's Day this weekend. So I'll see you soon.